In a smoky haze with laughter all around, a welcome and a warm heart can be found. The story's tall and wild, our guests chase the night, castle of old heroes of might. Strangers lock eyes and hearts begin to race, a spark ignited inside as heroes find their place. In the hum of chatter over clinking glass, a group is formed, the likes of which will last. Oh, you meet in a tavern when the world stands still, with a stranger by your side, fighting off the chill. Life's a tale, they're writing line by line, underneath the ancient sign. Everything's just fine. There's no past, no future in this space tonight, just the magic of a moment, fleeting but so bright. The bard plays a song that feels like home. Among new brothers and sisters, they're never alone. The hours are passing, but they don't seem to care, for the call of adventure is in the air. Home is behind, the legends are close enough to touch. Together they hold fast when the journey's all too much. Oh, you meet in a tavern where the world stands still, with a stranger by your side, fighting off the chill. Life's a tale,